Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Emerald Signature. Feel free to subscribe, like my videos and share. For today I'm going to be making a straight pencil dress with a trending puff sleeve. This is the fabric I'm going to be using. Just going to be opening this up. The length of the dress is going to be 40 inches. So I'll just be cutting out the length, which is 40 inches. So I cut out 50 inches for the allowance and everything, and the length is 40 inches. So now we're going to be marking our measurements. For the neck measurement, I'm going to be using 3 inches, neck width 3 inches, neck depth of 6 inches for the front, and 2 inches for the back. Front is going to be a V neck. But a circle at the back. Then I'm going to be marking my breast, a princess cut. I'm going to be using 4 inches, breast distance of 7 inches, which is 3.5 plus half an inch, making it 4 inches. 4 inches. 4 inches. We're going to be doing an amazing cut, an amazing princess seam cut. The shoulder distance, I'll be using 4 inches. Bust point 7 inches, nipple point 9 inches, under bust 12 inches. Those are the measurements I'm going to be using. I'll just be extending the lines. So for the shoulder, I'll be marking out half an inch for the shoulder slope, which I'll be connecting to the neckline. Be measuring down, okay, 3.5 inches. From the 3.5 inches, I'll be taking half inch either side. Then I'll just be at the under bust line. I'll be taking out 1.5 inches. The waistline, I'll be marking 15 inches for the waistline, which I'll just be extending. I'll also be taking out the 1.5 inches at the waistline. The hip line, 22 inches. I'll be going above the hip line by 2 inches, and I'll just be marking, blending this in there, just like this way, and to the bust point this way. Now that said, I'm going to be going under the bust line with half an inch. Then I'll just be smoothing this out to give the breast curve shape, to avoid every harsh line. Marking my bust measurement so I can get my armhole at the nipple area. The bust measurement is 34 divided by 4. I have 8.5. So the bust measurement is 8.5. I'll be adding the 1 inch I'm supposed to be using to join this part, which is 9.5. So the 9.5, I will extend this line by half an inch here. Then I'll just be connecting this to that point. So then my 2-inch seam allowance here. For the waist, the under bust measurement is 30 inches. 30 divided by 2, I have 7 divided by 4 rather, I have 7.5. 7.5 minus the 1.5 inch I took from there, I'll be having 9 inches. The 1 inch I'm going to use to sew this, I'll have 10 inches. Then my 2-inch seam allowance, I have 12 inches. Then for the waistline, yeah, the waistline, the waist is 30 inches, so I'll still be pretty much the same measurement with the on the bust measurement, so it's still pretty much the same thing. 36 divided by 2 is divided by 4 is 9 inches. 9 inches plus my 2-inch seam allowance, which I have here. Then just half an inch for the seam allowance. So I'll just be taking out 1 inch from this point, which will make it, or I'll be taking 1.5 to make it 10.5 inches. Just be connecting this line to the hip line. This is it. Feel free to extend downwards if you choose. So I'm going to be cutting the band for my trending puff sleeve. So the band, I'll just be cutting out 6 inches. Alright, so this, I think I'm going to be having it folded this way. Yeah, I'm going to be measuring the band at least 4 inches. Yeah. So I'm just going to be folding this in two while sewing and pleating my sleeve along the axis of this line. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Do try to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.